Hey guys, it's Shah here, the Tech Borg, and today's video we're going to be doing a challenge video, and we're going to be making a program to find the sum of the first n natural numbers. So that means, for example, if the user enters 4, then you want the output to be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is 10. So we'll be doing that. So first of all, what do we need to do? Well, first of all, we need to create the variables, right? So what do we need in the first variable? Well, we need to have the value that needs to be entered. You want to know the natural number. So n is equal to, and you want to make an integer as well, obviously, because it's a natural number. And we keep it positive as well, obviously. Integer, and then you want to write enter number. Oops. There we go. And then now what we need to do is we need to create another variable which is total, which means like this is a sum basically, everything added up together. And then now if you think about it, to add up all the numbers, you'd have to go from 1 all the way up to n, or from n all the way to 1. So what you have to do is you have to do n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 3 all the way down to 1. So is there a way we could loop this? So for example, let's say we put a while loop in, and while n is greater than 0, which it should be, because you want to find the sum of like 2 or 3, then that's why. So while n is greater than 0, so you want your integer to be greater than 0 to start the loop. So while n is greater than 0, you want to put the total, which is your sum, is equal to the total you have currently, which is 0 at the moment, plus the value of n that they've inputted. So what we're essentially doing is we're changing this total value to add whatever value of n has been taken. So if you enter n as 5, it will put n as 5 here, and then keep on looping that. But in order to make sure the loop closes eventually at one point, you have to do n is equal to n minus 1. Now what this does is it reduces the value of n by 1 each time. So for example, if you reduce the value of n by 1 each time, that means this value will become n minus 1 in the next loop. In the loop after that, it will become n minus 2, etc. Meaning that it will successfully loop, and then it'll add up together n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, etc. all the way down to 1. And yeah. And now we need to break the loop, so we just need to print here it is, and then you want to put a comma, and then you want to put total. So save that and then run it. As you can see, okay, it's given us enter number. Okay, sorry, I forgot to put input. That was my bad. Let me just put it real quick. Okay. It's a lot of brackets, but whatever. Okay, there we go, enter number. Now let's say I put 5, we got, here it is, 15. So let's do it ourselves. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And as you can see, that's 15 as well. As you can see, the program is working very simply. And we haven't done anything complicated here. We've just used basic knowledge. So again, what we have done is we've reduced the value of n by 1 each time. And in doing so, we have managed to loop it all the way from n minus 1, n minus 2, all the way down to 1. And that's it, guys. This video is pretty straightforward. Not a very hard challenge. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video again. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed again. And the next video will probably be a challenge video again, because this time you watch my tutorials, like learning the actual stuff and then applying it in like a proper authentic scenario. So this is one idea of a scenario, and yeah, so I hope you guys again understood, and like, comment, subscribe.